Hi students, welcome to my NEET YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss about morphology and anatomy of the frog, which is in the 11th standard and it's the most important in NEET. Frog and cockroach as well as the earthworm also sometimes they're asking questions. See here, frog, it's a phylum, it belongs to chordata. Class amphibia, you know that this is a vertebrate. Genus Rana tigrina. Species is the tigrina. So here Rana tigrina is the most common species in India which is available. These all belongs to the poikilotherms, means cold-blooded animals, which means there is no constant body temperature. According to environment, they want their body temperature tend to change according to environments. For example, environment have a 20 degrees centigrade, at automatically the body of the frog also will be 20. If it is rise, it will be rise according to environment. If it is decrease and based on the environment, it will be decrease. That's why called as a poikilotherms, also called as the cold-blooded animals. They can change their body color. That mechanism called as camouflage means they can hide their bodies, escape from their enemies. This protective coloration called as the mimicry, right? You know that during summer and winter they undergo aestivation. Aestivation called as summer sleep and winter sleep called as the hibernation. These they can avoid their unfavorable conditions easily. They can live without any harsh environment. And here is the first you're going to learn about the morphology of frog. See here, body is divisible into head region will be there and trunk. These are the two. There is no tail. Tail is absent in the adult frog. Neck and neck also absent here. Skin is moist and smooth. It is a slippery in nature because of presence of mucus glands. The dorsal part of the where the I'm showing the cursor, this is the ventral part, this is dorsal part. Dorsal part of the frog body is olive green color, which is the dark irregular spots we can notice patches like. A ventral side is the pale yellow color. And moreover, the frog never drink water, but through the skin it will be absorbs. Here is a mouth and paired nostrils are there and paired eyes are there. Eyes are bulges, but here is this eye is covered by the nictitating membrane, which is human also have a nictitating membrane, and it is no eyelids. Eyelids are absent in the frog, right? And moreover, the on either side of the eye has a membranous tympanum is there. It is represents the ear, right? Tympanum is the ear. Four limbs have a four digit, hand limbs have a five digits, which are the finger like structures. These legs are used for the walking and leaping and burrowing. Hind limbs are the highly muscular and larger than the forelimbs. And frog exhibits the sexual dimorphism. Here is the what is the sexual dimorphism? Here is the we can distinguish the male and female frogs by its own external characters that is called as the sexual dimorphism. And here is the male frog have a sound producing vocal cords or vocal sacs. These are the one character and more of the copulatory are the nuptial pads also there. We called as the this actually present in the first digit of forelimb. Forelimb have a four digits, right? In that first digit there, no, which is as a that amplexary pad, copulatory pad, the nuptial pad, also called as amplexary pad, is present, which is absent in the female frog, right? Female frog does not have vocal sound producing organs and moreover the copulatory pads, right? Here is if you go in that digestive system and remaining all systems, we'll learn in the next video. Thank you for watching. Hi students, welcome to my NEET